Hello everyone, I'm Hatan. Currently dancing is my favorite sport. That's why I built the YouTube channel at Hatan to serve myself and my friends as well as share this topic with those of you who are interested. However, developing this channel also has many difficulties. Researching the YouTube algorithm to improve audience reach on the YouTube channel is the main topic of this article. Here is the content I share.
Key issues to help YouTube channels grow and be effective. 1. Sticking to a consistent premise or format for your YouTube videos can help create awareness and build a strong personal brand on your channel. This can help improve your reach by attracting and maintaining your audience's interest. 2. Use recommendation tools and strategies from a variety of sources. 3. Creating clickable thumbnail images is an important factor to improve your reach on YouTube. An attractive and interesting thumbnail image can attract your audience's attention and make them want to watch your video. 4. Optimizing your videos for your focus keywords is an important part of your YouTube SEO strategy to improve your reach. 5. Audience engagement is an important part of improving audience reach on YouTube. When you build a loyal community and create relationships with your audience, they are likely to become loyal viewers and return to your channel regularly. 6. Monitoring and capturing information about competitors on YouTube is an important part of the strategy. Follow your competitors and learn from them to improve your YouTube channel. 7. Creating short videos on YouTube can be one of the key parts of your strategy to improve your reach. Short videos are becoming a growing trend on the platform and can help you attract more audiences and create engagement. 8. Building a personal brand. Create a strong personal brand around your channel, including unique visuals, music, and video style.
Finally, remember that creating a thriving YouTube channel takes time and effort. Be persistent, monitor data, and adjust your strategy over time to improve your audience reach. Hope this article helps you build your own YouTube channel to grow more and more effectively. Good luck.